What do you think about the government's decision to introduce a rural school bus system this September?
I think it can be effective and it should be implemented.
A lot of children in Jamaican society, are get take away, so if we prevent the kids from go home safely and make it at them home safely.
Those people who are living in far areas, communities where have hard access to get to bus, I think this will be an easier access for them.
In my perspective, it will be good because you can correspond with the driver to know how far they are and you could leave a child in their hands safely. So I know it is a good decision.
Anything like that is supposed to be beneficial to the student and the community in general because it wasn't there from some time ago or maybe from the beginning. So now at this time, give it a try and see how it works. But it should have worked very well.
It will benefit them and it's a very good idea. Excellent. I love it. And he's doing a good job.
I definitely believe that it will benefit, children and their families, because clearly if your parents don't have the money from the start, right, to, even send you to school, it will be even harder to find the money every day to find bus fare, to have you take 4 different taxis, 4 different buses, each of which might cost $500 depending on where you live.
We appreciate the government to think about it even now, because those people that down in that rural part of the island there, them suffering greatly, immensely. So it's a well-think move and a well-good move that the government has come together to put this together for those people to benefit, and I appreciate it